you talking to cause? You talking to cause? Yeah? Peekaboo. Banner. Peekaboo. Banner. Cause, what are you doing? Are you preening? Are you picking, honey? Uh-huh. Banner. Peekaboo. You are so smart. And you're just a baby. Yeah. You're just a baby. She was hanging off that ball on the bottom of that toy. Second time I've seen her do that. There she goes again. Oh, now she's playing with the string thing. That's good. That means she won't pick at her feathers if she starts playing with that. If she's molting or itchy. And this is all the time. Talking, 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 talking. She broke a couple tail feathers because she's not exactly flying properly. Okay. Oh my goodness. What are you saying? Practice, practice, practice. That's what you guys do. Where'd you go? Cockatiels don't get too much cred either, but they are an incredible bird if they're hand-fed. Just get them at a store, they're not hand-fed, so they're not as incredible, but hand-fed cockatiels, they're underrated. I only have one pair though. See, a white pair. Cinnamon. Mr. Gray. Clarabelle. It's the white face I meant. Not awake yet. Because this one awoke me. And then the cinnamon. And then I have Ralphie who's still kicking. It's incredible. I'm done with this video. Anything else, Banner? Banner. Vincent's birthday present. Banner. (2018). We hand fed this bird. I got it unweaned because the lady knew that I bred birds. Yeah. So it's a special opportunity. She's so beautiful though. Yeah. You should put your picture as your video front. What you think, Banner? Banner. There's that tail feather. I'm gonna have to get it. She really wants out. She can't be because the dog's out right now. Down here. But yeah, see that right there? There was a plastic sheet. Or rather, mesh. Made out of plastic. And she wanted out so bad. So I kept working at it and working at it. And she finally made a hole. Like you saw that video. She's such a people person. Or people bird person. Or bird people person. Yeah. Say bye-bye. Banner, say bye-bye. No, no, no. Say, say bye-bye.